Abemi baseNigeria nabahlala kwisixeko saseMonti baqhube umngcelelo ongenadushe bememelela kurhulumente welalizwe ukuba bamiswe ukuphatha gadalala kwabemi baseNigeria.
Our Nigerian youth, they came out in mass to protest against the bad governance that has been on for a very long period of time in Nigeria. And they decided to come to the street to say that enough is enough to bad governance. Enough is enough to police brutality. Enough is enough to the intimidation that we are receiving from our government. Our government is rounded with all manners of wickedness and all kinds of evil.
Just to say there needs to be an end to police brutality. We want an end to SWAT, whether it's SWAT, whether it's SARS, we want an end to it. We want the basic amenities. Those are the basic things that we are asking for. I don't think we are asking for too much. We want a country where we can visit, a country where our children can be identified with. We don't want anyone to be killed. We want businesses to prosper. You can see a lot of our young men that are here in this country. If things are better home, they won't be here.
Oku kuze emveni kwezitsholo zokuba amajoni alalizwe adubule abulala abaqhankqalazi bebebambe umngcelelo ongenadushe eLagos eNigeria nalapho bebekhalazela impatho gadalala yamapolisa elalizwe. Ngabantu abalishumi abathe baphulukana nobomi babo koluqhankqalazo. Aba baqhankqalazi babeke zonke izixhobo zabo zokusebenza namhlanje besithi kwanele ukuphatha gadalala kwabemi belizwe labo.
So now we have decided to take to the street and to say no. We want to make it public now. We want everyone to see what is happening in Nigeria. It is unacceptable. The youth are saying no. We are rising this time around and saying no.
We have endured enough. We have suffered for our president in Nigeria, and we need freedom in our states, in our country. SARS must end. We have suffered. Laptop is not a crime. iPhone is not a crime in Nigeria. When young youth are progressing, it's not a crime. We need freedom in our country, and we want Buhari to be out.
Yeah, Buhari must go. Buhari must go. In the country we have no peace. How can somebody be investing billions of dollars while the people in other countries are suffering?
Ukanti amajoni aseNigeria ayaziphika izitsholo zokuba ayathulula imbumbulu kwabaqhankqalazi bebezibambele umngcelelo ongenadushe. Kwindaba zeTaxi Image, ndingudali Nceba.